Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Agricultural Officer Exam Important MCQs Set 1, which consists of 30 MCQs. Watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The Kerala Agriculture University was established in the year. Options: A. 1957, B. 1964, C. 1971, D. 1978. Correct answer C. 1971. Question number 2. Humus is dash. Options: A. Completely decomposed organic matter, B. Partially decomposed organic matter, C. Undecomposed organic matter, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Completely decomposed organic matter. Question number 3. The instrument used to measure the intensity of sunlight is dash. Options: A. Sunshine recorder, B. Lux meter, C. Thermometer, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Lux meter. Question number 4. The head office of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is at. Options: A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. Pune, D. Delhi. Correct answer D. Delhi. Question number 5. The quantity of muriate of potash MOP required for Nandran banana grown in 10 cents of land is. Options: A. 50 kg, B. 100 kg, C. 200 kg, D. 25 kg. Correct answer A. 50 kg. Question number 6. Dhanasri is a variety of. Options: A. Coconut, B. Mango, C. Cashew, D. Pineapple. Correct answer C. Cashew. Question number 7. The phytosanitary certificate issued by the Agriculture Department of exporting country shows that the particular consignment is free of. Options: A. Pests, B. Diseases, C. Weeds, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 8. Percolation pits are used for. Options: A. Sowing seeds, B. Rainwater harvesting, C. Irrigation, D. Fertilizer application. Correct answer B. Rainwater harvesting. Question number 9. The following is an example for igneous rock. Options: A. Sandstone, B. Limestone, C. Marble, D. Granite. Correct answer D. Granite. Question number 10. The organic matter richest horizon in a soil profile is. Options: A. O horizon, B. A horizon, C. B horizon, D. C horizon. Correct answer A. O horizon. Question number 11. 1 ppm is. Options: A. 1 gram per liter, B. 10 milligram per liter, C. 1 milligram per liter, D. 10 gram per liter. Correct answer C. 1 milligram per liter. Question number 12. Method of grafting where both rootstock and scion have their own root system till the graft union is achieved. Options: A. Stone grafting, B. Approach grafting, C. Softwood grafting, D. Side grafting. Correct answer B. Approach grafting. Question number 13. Cytobacter salvinia is used as biocontrol agent against. Options: A. Water hyacinth, B. African pile, C. Water lily, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. African pile. Question number 14. Bunchy top disease of banana is transmitted by. Options: A. Aphid, B. Whitefly, C. Pseudostem weevil, D. Nematode. Correct answer A. Aphid. Question number 15. Lime application is done to options A. Increase alkalinity of soil, B. Decrease alkalinity of soil, C. Increase acidity of soil, D. Decrease acidity of soil. Correct answer D. Decrease acidity of soil. Question number 16. A single window system that functions to ensure the availability of farm laborers, inputs, plant materials, plant protection agents, etc. is options A. Biopharmacy, B. Agri-clinics, C. Agro-service center, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Agro-service center. Question number 17. Which of the following is used to remove pesticide residue from fruits and vegetables before consumption? Options A. Common salt, B. Turmeric powder, C. Vinegar, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All the above. Question number 18. The branch of agriculture which deals with pest of crops and their management. Options A. Agricultural entomology, B. Horticulture, C. Agronomy, D. Plant pathology. Correct answer A. Agriculture entomology. Question number 19. The ideal soil texture for crop production is options A. Sandy soil, B. Loamy soil, C. Clayey soil, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Loamy soil. Question number 20. Field capacity is a point at which options A. All the macropores and micropores in the soil are filled with water, B. All the macrospores filled with water and the microspores filled with air, C. All the macrospores filled with the air and the microspores filled with water, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. All the macrospores filled with air and the microspores filled with water. Question number 21. Yellowing is a deficiency symptom of which of the following element? Options A. Potassium, B. Nitrogen, C. Phosphorus, D. Calcium. Correct answer B. Nitrogen. Question number 22. The ragdoll method is used for testing of dash. Options A. Seed purity, B. Quality of seedling, C. Seed germination percentage, D. Moisture content in seed. Correct answer C. Seed germination percentage. Question number 23. Leaf cuttings are used for the propagation of options A. Sansevieria, B. Curry leaf, C. Tea, D. Passion fruit. Correct answer A. Sansevieria. Question number 24. Yellow sticky trap is used for the control of options A. Aphids, B. Beetles, C. Bugs, D. Whiteflies. Correct answer D. Whiteflies. Question number 25. One of the following sprayer is used to spray on tall trees. Options A. Knapsack sprayer, B. Hand sprayer, C. Rocker sprayer, D. Mist blower. Correct answer C. Rocker sprayer. Question number 26. Pale yellow triangular patches below the perianth region of coconut is a symptom of attack of options A. Eriophyte mitt, B. Rhinoceros beetle, C. Nut crinkler, D. Red palm weevil. Correct answer A. Eriophyte mitt. Question number 27. Abnormal leaf fall is a disease affecting options A. Coconut, B. Mango, C. Rice, D. Rubber. Correct answer D. Rubber. Question number 28. India's total food grain production is around options A. 222 million tons, B. 252 million tons, C. 242 million tons, D. 232 million tons. Correct answer B. 252 million tons. Question number 29. Utrillus eugene is used as biological agent in the production of options A. coir pith compost, B. farmyard manure, C. fish meal, D. vermicompost. Correct answer D. vermicompost. Question number 30. The strength of Bordeaux paste is options A. 10%, B. 50%, C. 1%, D. 5%. Correct answer A. 10%. Now comment down your score out of 30. For daily quizzes and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.